Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. So a lot of you had requested me to put up a recipe that is gluten free. You wanted me to try with jawar flour to make super soft paos. So your wait is over and today I'm going to be sharing you that recipe. It's super simple to make, but before that don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and let's go make jawar gluten free paos.
So we take a bowl and then you add lukewarm water to it. So make sure the water is not too warm. It has to be lukewarm. Then you add instant dry yeast to it, powder sugar to it, mix it really well and wait till the yeast blooms. So this is going to take 5 to 10 minutes. Once that is done, we're going to add psyllium husk and a little bit of oil. Mix it really well till it becomes like a thick jelly. So once it becomes a thick jelly, then we can move further. So you can see how the jelly it just thickens very quickly. Then I added some jawar flour to it, a little bit of salt and some herbs. So in this recipe you do not need any starch or any other ingredients. It is just the basics that is required. So only jawar flour. So you keep mixing this really well till it becomes a thick dough. So to make the dough, I've used a beater. You can use your hands also to it, but I prefer that this works much better. Now then you can see that the dough is super soft once it's kneaded well. Now you make a log out of it. So once the log is made, I'm going to divide the dough into equal parts. And then when you divide the dough into equal parts, here I've taken 100 grams each because these paos they will not rise that much. So you need at least 100 grams so that the paos look good big enough. So you can see that I've divided the dough. Now I'll turn it and roll it into a ball and then I'm going to place it. So I've taken a rectangular tin. So you can use any tin of your choice. This recipe made around 12 paos for me. And you can see always add a parchment paper so that when you demold it, it's easily to remove and it won't get stuck to the tin. So now you can see the paos are ready. Then you brush some oil to it and then after that you add some herbs on top. If you don't want to brush oil, you can do milk, you can do egg wash, that is fine. Then you bake it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. So you see these paos do not require any proofing also. You can even make burger buns, breads with this recipe. Once it's baked, you put a toothpick inside and if it comes out clean, that means the paos are ready. Then you see I've brushed oil. You can even brush ghee to it. So this lets your paos become really soft after baking. Now I'm going to just cut it into half to show you the texture. And you can see the easiest and the most healthiest paos are ready.